Hi everyone. So today I built a motion generator. So I'm gonna use this to do a lot of things, but specifically for charging a phone this time. So what I got here is a tube. Inside the tube I have magnets and then this coil. This works according to Faraday's law. So if I shake this, magnets go past the tube, inducing EMF in the coils. So this is the circuit here on the book. I actually drew it for simplicity. So the magnets go up and down, inducing voltage in the coils. And then this is the full bridge rectifier to rectify the AC voltage that comes out of the coils. And then after that, we get to the super cap. So now we're charging the super cap. After charging the super cap, we have to regulate the voltage because you can't charge a phone with a voltage that ripples. It has to be regulated. So the output that I'm going to get is about 4 volts. So let's go ahead and measure how much voltage we have in our supercapacitor at the moment. We're going to use the multimeter to do that. So I just measure across this and we go to the multimeter. We currently have 7.45. So let's go and shake things up and see how much we can get after shaking up. So now all we have to do is just connect this here. We're going to see how this actually charges up using an oscilloscope. So we shake things up, we go to the oscilloscope, and you can see the AC voltage that the shaking generates, right? Let me just stop it for you so you can see it clearly. So that's how much I'm actually creating. Or to see it much better in view, you can see that's something that I'm creating. It's currently AC. The full bridge rectifier will flip the bottom part to the top, and then the supercapacitor will level it out to about 8.3 volts. So let's shake it a bit more and charge up the supercapacitor. Remember, we had 7.46. Hopefully we can get higher this time. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and measure how much we have now. So we go across the capacitor and we check here on the multimeter. We have 7.53 now, so that's good. It means we were able to charge up the capacitor with that little shaking. So now I'm just going to complete the circuit. So this circuit will connect the capacitor to the voltage regulator according to what I have here. So the capacitor to the voltage regulator, I'm completing the circuit now. So once I complete the circuit, the voltage is supposed to be regulated to 4 volts output. So we can go ahead and measure the 4 volts output. So I just measure here and I go to my multimeter. You can see I have approximately 4 volts, which is like 4.11 volts. It's very close. And now we can just go ahead and see what we can actually do with this. If we come here on a breadboard and connect these 2 output leads to the breadboard, we'll see that we'll be able to light up the LEDs. Ta-da! But then this is not what I intended for. I want to put a charging point on the output and use a USB cable to charge the phone. And yes guys, this is a mini project that I did today. Thank you so much for watching. Check out for my future videos and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.